Welcome to the final chapter of our course. In this video, we'll explore advanced and emerging applications of AI in healthcare research. If you've ever wondered how AI is shaping the future of research and healthcare, this is the perfect way to end our journey together. Introduction to Advanced AI Applications. AI is no longer limited to helping with literature reviews or basic data analysis. It is now driving innovation in areas like predictive modeling, natural language processing, and real-time surveillance. These advanced applications empower researchers to solve complex problems, discover hidden patterns, and deliver faster results. Let's explore how. Predictive modeling in healthcare. Predictive modeling is one of AI's most transformative contributions to healthcare research. It helps forecast outcomes, identify risk factors, and guide interventions. Key tools include 1. Google AutoML builds custom machine learning models with minimal technical knowledge. 1. For example, it can predict the likelihood of disease outbreaks by analyzing environmental and demographic data. 2. H2O.ai, an open-source platform for automating machine learning workflows. 2. Researchers can use it to estimate hospital readmission rates using patient demographic and clinical data. Natural language processing (NLP). For research, NLP allows AI to analyze unstructured text, such as research papers, patient feedback, and medical records. Key tools include 1. IBM Watson Discovery extracts insights from large volumes of unstructured text. 1. For instance, it can analyze trends in global health literature to identify emerging challenges. 2. OpenAI's GPT models summarizes academic papers and synthesizes findings. 2. For example, it can quickly summarize systematic reviews, uncovering key takeaways and gaps. Real-time data analysis and surveillance. AI excels at monitoring real-time data to identify trends or anomalies. This is particularly useful in public health surveillance. For example, AI-powered systems like BlueDot track disease outbreaks through news reports, social media, and healthcare data streams, enabling rapid responses to global health threats. Ethical considerations in advanced AI use. While these tools are powerful, they also raise ethical concerns. As researchers, it's vital to consider 1. Data privacy. Ensure sensitive data is handled securely. 2. Bias in AI models. Avoid skewed results due to incomplete or unrepresentative datasets. 3. Transparency. Understand how AI models arrive at their conclusions to build trust and credibility. By addressing these challenges proactively, you can use AI responsibly and effectively. Final thoughts and motivation as we conclude. Remember that AI is more than just a tool. It's a transformative technology that can revolutionize healthcare research. From predictive modeling to real-time surveillance, these advanced applications open doors to solving complex challenges and making meaningful contributions to your field. I encourage you to explore these tools further, experiment with their features, and integrate them into your research workflows. AI is constantly evolving, and by staying curious and adaptive, you can stay ahead in this exciting era of research. Thank you for joining this course, and I wish you success in applying AI to your research.